Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be unboxing my newest bag. So I am very excited to share this with you guys. I ordered this from Fashion File, so this is a vintage Louis Vuitton. I'm pretty sure this is a shoebox. I just put the bag in, but I am happy that it did come with a box to store it if I need to store it. I sold a few bags and I'll do an updated updated bag video soon with my updated collection, because I also got another bag, like a long chomp, when I was out traveling. And so I want to make sure that I update y'all on what I've sold and what I currently have. But when I sold a few bags, I wanted to get this. I've had my eye on it for a bit, and I don't know why, but lately I've just been drawn to it. And so I wanted to try it out. So let's go ahead, open her up, and I'm gonna share first impressions, everything I can discuss about this bag, and then what fits, of course. So let's go ahead and open her up. All right, so we have the Louis Vuitton Petit Noe in the black epi leather. Y'all know I love black epi leather if you follow me. And this one was just in such great condition and was a good price. I believe I spent, I'll put the number on the screen, but I believe it was around $2 something. This bag is essentially a bucket bag. I was going between this and the larger Noe. I believe it's the GM, because the GM can actually fit a laptop. This can too. Again, we'll go in on that, but I wanted another like everyday bag. So I have my backpack, but there are days where I just want like a bag or a tote, and I think this is honestly like the perfect size. So for dimensions, this is 10.6 inches in height, 10.6 inches in length, and 8.3 inches in width. You have a rectangular base, which is nice, and it's just a true bucket bag. You have these strings so that you can tie them. You have an adjustable strap, and let's open her up. The interior is large. It has like a felt texture, and then you have a zip pocket on the side. I of course bought an organizer because it is a bucket bag. In bucket bags, I feel like you have to get an organizer. I get them anyways to help keep the structure of a bag, especially since I've been leaning towards vintage bags. It also helps protect your bag, and as y'all know, I buy and sell a lot. It helps keep that value up. But with the bucket bag, it's definitely more function than anything. Same with my backpack. I have to have the organizer in there, otherwise everything just like floats around. So let's grab the organizer, and then I will show y'all what fits, because that's essentially the overview of the Petit Noe. All right, so I'm gonna show what fits, but also how I'm going to use the bag, or how I initially think I'm gonna use the bag and set it up. Typically, I put things in the same spot so it's easy to find. So as I mentioned, I was going between this and the GM, and I ultimately decided to use this because for what I needed it for, I needed an everyday bag, but I did like the idea of having something that could carry my laptop. And so if you're okay with, and I don't need to carry my laptop frequently, right? So I want to throw that out there too. I work from home. This is only if I like want to go work at a cafe or something, or if, since I do consulting, need to go meet with someone, I want to bring this bag. I can put my laptop in here. So this is a 13-inch MacBook Pro, and this is how it looks inside of the bag. So it just sticks out a little bit, and honestly, I'm fine with that. Sometimes laptops stick out anyways. I had a 15-inch MacBook Pro that didn't fit in anything for a bit, so I was always used to it sticking out, right? And so I think overall, if you're okay with the option of it being able to hold it, maybe not conceal it, but hold it, this is probably a better fit if you want something that's better for every day. If you don't need to take a lot of stuff with you, because I typically don't need to take too much stuff with me when I go places, like to run errands and whatnot. So the fact that it is capable of holding the laptop makes me happy that I can use it for that, and it can have an additional purpose. But at the same time, it's small enough for everyday use, but I have the option to use it for my laptop if needed. So we have, that's how the MacBook looks. And then I grabbed my Happy Leather agendas and then my PM. So this is the GM, medium, GM, MM, and PM. So large, medium, and small ring agenda from Louis Vuitton. And we'll put all three in here to show y'all what it looks like. So GM fits perfectly. It can and will close with it there, as well as the medium and the small ring. So that's a look on that. And then here are the agendas on their side, so that way you can see how it looks from this angle in case you want to like fully close it, right? And you don't like it sitting up too high for the GM. So we have that. All right, and then moving on to tablets. So I grabbed my husband's 11-inch Pro. I have the iPad mini, and then this is my Kindle 6-inch. I think it's called like ultra white reader. So again, different size tablets to show y'all how these fit. These are the tablets sitting upright. So again, this will close. It's like right to the top, but it will close. You can also flip it over if you want it to maybe close a little bit more. The organizer will like stretch out a bit, but you can fit it in here fine width-wise. So that's what that looks like. Same with the iPad mini. All right, and now for everything that I typically carry with my bag and how I see myself using it. So these are the normal SLGs that I use on a daily basis. So I have my Louis Vuitton, and here's my Monterey BB. That's my general everyday go-to bag. Again, I wanted something that wasn't a backpack just to try out. But this is my, I think it's the Charms card holder from Louis Vuitton. So this is my main wallet right now just because it's slim and fits in everything. So I typically tuck that in on the side. And then this is my keys. I have a house key, mail key, different things like that. And the 6-ring key holder. I no longer keep my car key in it just in case I want to run a quick errand. I've had it attached to my key pouch, which if it doesn't hold cards to go run and do an errand, I keep my AirPods in it. So right now my AirPods are in it. Let me open this up. So here are my AirPods. And then I'm going to tuck this on the side so it's easy to find. And then what's nice about this organizer is that there's a zipper compartment, and then I also saw that there's a flap. So the zipper compartment, I'll probably just like throw random things in, like receipts and stuff. That's what I typically do. I have my, I think this is the medium pouch from Chanel, and this just has everyday like essentials that I need when I'm out. I don't think my hand sanitizer is in here. I think it's in my car. But I have like lip balm, purse spray, mirror, Tylenol, different things like that. Bobby pins, just random like odds and ends. And so we'll put that in. These are my Chanel sunglasses. And so I want to see if it'll fit. No, it won't fit in that drink holder. I might take out the drink holder. Sometimes they fit the glasses holder, so I'll put that in there. Other times they don't, which this one doesn't, but it's fine. So we have that. And then I also brought my pochette accessory. This is also in Uppy leather. I think this is my most recent bag. My husband got it for me for my birthday, which we absolutely love. So I hold planner accessories in here, pens, stickers. I also use this to hold tech equipment if I'm running somewhere. So again, with that laptop, I would throw my charger, random chargers in here. So here's what this looks like inside of here. So it does go all the way to the top, but you can also probably lay it flat. Yeah, no, it'll also go flat. So we have that, and then that's what I carry every day. So as you can see, that's everything out of my backpack. Like I said, it's typically the same type of organizer. And again, I throw receipts in that back pocket, but this is what this looks like. There are times where I want to now start bringing my medium ring with me. So this is what that'll look like if it's in there. Or if I'm going somewhere and I want to bring my Kindle, I'll probably just pop it in this pocket over here. So that way I can easily find it. And then probably my PM too, since this is my travel planner. We could fit both planners in here. So this is what it looks like with things that I potentially bring with. Let me also show y'all what it looks like if I want to bring my laptop as well as my GM planner somewhere. Okay, so not taking anything out, I just took out the two smaller agendas, and I did shift the glasses around, but we could also like do this, right? So I have my pouches still, everything's still where it's at, the pochette, and then I added my GM and then my laptop. And so this is what it looks like. And You can carry it with you, have everything you need all in one bag. So it's a little heavy, but of course it's gonna be heavy. Also still have a Kindle back there, but that's what that looks like when it's technically overfilled, right? And overflowing. So still a very versatile bag, and I'm so excited to add this to my collection. Other than that, that is gonna be it for this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know, and thank you guys so much for watching.